Hello everyone and welcome to this informative tutorial. Today we will delve into the process of importing digital elevation models or DEMs. These models are a collection of height data for various locations. To get started, we need to open our layers through the sidebar. Here you can find DEMs. To import a DEM, click the Import button. For now, only XYZ files can be imported. Click the File button to open the Explorer and search for the file you want. You can select a single file or multiple files at once. Sometimes the height data can be quite large and divided into multiple XYZ files. We select all the files in this folder and click Import. This process might take a little longer due to the multitude of files. Once imported, you will be prompted to automatically select your base point. Most of the time, you will want this option enabled, so go ahead and confirm. Your base point will then be taken directly from your DEM. Your elevation model will now appear as a layer under DEMs and in the viewport. Look at this vast landscape. Despite importing many files, they are all counted as one layer, since these tiles are part of one large surface. Digital elevation models are always geo-referenced, as indicated by the small yellow world icon. If the DEM is the first file you have imported, it will show up in the center of your project. However, if you already have other geo-referenced data in your project, the DEM will be placed based on that base point. Now, back to the layer system. Here you can toggle the visibility of your DEM-based landscape, edit it, and delete it. You can also rename it to better organize your project. Let's move on to editing this landscape. All available options can be found in the sidebar. Select Lower Landscape to use a brush to decrease the elevation level within the shown radius. Click or hold your left mouse key and move around to make the changes. In the window that opens, you can adjust the brush radius and intensity to fine-tune your edits. Additionally, while holding down Command, you can move freely, even with the brush selected. Similarly, you can increase the landscape's elevation by selecting Raise Landscape and Painting. Another editing option is Leveling. Here, the height of the point you clicked on is now your reference. Anything you drag over to that height will be adjusted accordingly. That means the elevation will respectively be increased or decreased. Finally, there's the Flip Normals button. If your landscape looks strange or too dark, this button can help fix it. In the top bar, you can change the material of your DEM landscape. You can switch between grass, soil, and projection, which includes aerial photos, if you have imported any. Now, you've successfully imported and edited your digital elevation model just the way you want it. Use it as a base to build 3D objects, sketch plans, and communicate with your customers in different ways. Thanks for joining us. See you again soon. Happy visualizing.